So this is just going to be a 2-day trip. We're not going to be gone very long, so I don't need to spend a week trying to prep for everything. So I like to just make a quick list for me and my son on what we need to bring so I don't forget anything and have to rebuy it when we get to our destination. So far this is all I have that I'm going to be doing, and I probably will add a couple things to it. Alright, so here is the small suitcase that I'm going to be sharing with my son. We don't need that much space since we're not going to be gone for that long of a time. So I have a feeling that I have a lot of stuff already in here because my son is so excited. He decided that he wanted to start packing. So he has his toothbrush, my deodorant, my toothbrush, and his favorite Band-Aids, and a bunch of his swimming, well, I guess I should say all of his swimming trunks, some pants, my sweatshirt, his shorts, his underwear. He did a pretty good job, but we're going to make this look a little bit more organized. Alright, so this is everything that I have ready for Sunday to put in the suitcase. I have everything on the right side is Orlando's. I have his underwear, his diaper in case if he has an accident, 3 shirts, pair of pants, 3 shorts, 1 for going out to dinner, 2 for going out to dinner, 4 swimming suits in case if he has an accident or anything, and then sweatshirts, and I have a sweatshirt, I'm always cold, and pajamas, shirts, my bathing suit, dinnerware, and then extras. Alright, so everything that is right here on this side will be going into the small pocket. So I have everything from toothbrush, toothpaste, Band-Aids, deodorants, makeup, sunscreen, women products are in there, and then this will actually go in the car with me, so that'll be separate, but everything is going to go in this little pouch right there. And then all of these clothes that is on this side, minus the sweatshirts of course, will go in this large pouch right there. Alright, so how I like to actually organize my suitcase is by taking the underwear and putting it in first. I don't actually use this, but if I have to, I will. It'll be how I organize it. It'd be easy to just lift up. So I just put the underwear in first, and then the socks. So basically all of the small items that I can just fit in the little grooves, that's what I put in. And then Orlando socks will go in there on that side. I'm just doing a quick rundown of how I do it, and then it'll be more organized for when I go to leave. And then with pants, I always like, so this side is where the fold is, and then on this side, this is where the fold is. So I like to make it opposite. It's hard doing it on camera, sorry. And that way it fits in easier. So I like to do pants first and then do shirts on top and then bathing suits. Alright, so everything ended up fitting in the suitcase and I didn't have to do any special tricks to folding. So all I have left out is just the sweatshirts that will be going into the book bag. So now I will be packing all of these items. Alright, so I'm actually going to just put these items in these little pouches so that they don't get everywhere. There's no certain way I'm organizing this by any means. I'm just putting them in so that it doesn't get everywhere. And that way I don't forget anything when we leave the hotel. Alright, so I have this part packed and I still have this to put in. I could technically just put it all in there, but I actually have these little pockets up here that I'm going to utilize. So I'm just going to start putting these in. Alright, so I'm just gonna put all the boxes. There's no specific way, and I'm just. On the last day of preparations on Monday morning, I will do all of the cleaning and picking up, water the plants, do all the dishes, do the last load of laundry, vacuum, sweep, and dust everything. Then at night, I will feed, water the cats, do a last minute, about 10-minute cleanup from Rolando playing in the house, and then go to bed around 11. Alright, so today's Monday, so I'm just going to real quick do a scratch off everything that I have already, and then go and grab the laundry and put in what I don't have and put it in there. And then this bag should be completely filled, which will be awesome. So we already have that. We have socks, 2 shirts, bathing suits. I need to get that. I need to grab that. These will be on Tuesday. This will be on Tuesday. We already got that. We got that. Hyaluronic acid. We already put that in. Makeup. Put that in. Lotion. Very vital. Got 4 diapers. Underwears. Gotta get that. So the toothbrush, the reason why I already packed it is because I bought brand new ones. So the ones that we are actually bringing with us, I'm just gonna throw away at the hotel. And then toothpaste, and then the nebulizer, the albuterol, the inhaler, I'm just going to pack the day of on Tuesday. And then same with the iPads, the phones, snacks, and drinks. I'll actually get those ready today. And then charge all those so that he has them for the car. And then just vacuum, swept, mopped, put down counters, we dusted, took out the trash, picked up. We'll just, that's already done, but we'll just make sure that it's full on Tuesday. And then I'll do that tonight. Already directions, printed out the papers. So I need to do that, and we'll do that on Tuesday. Alright, we are now back from our vacation to Great Wolf Lodge and Kings Island. All we have to do now is just unpack our suitcases and make sure everything is put back in their homes, and we are finished since we did all the cleaning before we left to go on our mini vacation. Thank you so much for watching my bonus video this week. I hope you enjoyed our one-day mini vacation vlog to the Great Wolf Lodge and Kings Island. Friday's video will be coming out at midnight about how to properly clean a toilet. Make sure you click on the bell to be notified for when the video comes out. Thank you everyone, and I hope you all have a safe week, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!